I got an avocado. So this is your normal avocado. It's from Catalina, Peru. At least that's what the sticker says. I want to see what happens when you microwave an avocado. Okay. We're gonna microwave it for 5 minutes. Oh, it kind of opened. It's all fat. You can see. It's hot, 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 hot. And it's like a different color. Hold on, I gotta get something to touch it with. Here, touch it with this. Hecka hot. Okay. Down. It kind of opened. Hot. Let's see and poke it with. Hold on. Okay. Can you see where it cracked it open? Kind of. Oh. Ugh. Splitted it. See what it looks like if I take it all apart. Where's a plate? All I have is this really big plate. Super hot. Ugh. It's like pills. So we're gonna try this. Oops, something fell. It's like really, really hot. Whoops. Not open because I stabbed it. It's like a really good way to peel an avocado. You microwave it. It's like okay. Dang it, heck, it comes apart from the seed a lot better too. Oops. Oh, it broke the seed. I don't think I've ever had that happen. That's interesting. It like peeled the seed. I wouldn't think that's what an inside of an avocado seed looks like. Okay. You see it? Kind of. It's weird. It's like, I don't know what to call that. And like, here's its shell. It's like doing surgery, avocado surgery. It looks pretty eatable still. It's like a sushi avocado. Sure. You see me? It's just like a warm avocado. I don't know why, but it reminds me of Thanksgiving. Dang it, I was hoping it was gonna explode. Guess I lost. Thanks for watching. If you have ideas of where to microwave, let me know. Subscribe! Bye.